Hello everyone, this is Gary from Big Spud and I hope you are well. Today I'm going to kick off my series of 50 ways with spuds. Some years ago I wrote an ebook detailing 50 different recipes for potatoes and I want to take you through it now. That ebook is still available from Amazon now. I'll put the link in the description down below. But for now I want to take you through one of those recipes for bacon bites. They're a little canape or little snack. They're a great way for using leftover potato, as if, but they're a great way to use mashed potato, combine it with some egg and bacon and cheese, just fry them really quickly. I'm going to show you how to do that now. First of all, we need some mash. If you've got some mash left over, brilliant. If you don't, let's make some now. I'm going to make some with one potato, just enough to make, I don't know, half a dozen or so. So I'm going to microwave this potato. I've just got some salt, oil and pepper on there, a little sprinkle of rosemary, just because I felt like it. I'm going to cover that in cling film and microwave it. So I'm just going to give this a wrap in cling film while it goes in the microwave. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 10 minutes. You may need to do them for 2 or 3 minutes more depending on what mood your potatoes are in. One of the key flavours here is going to be bacon. So just take a couple of rashers of bacon, that'll do nicely for my portion here. And just fry them until crisp on both sides. And drain them lightly on kitchen paper so the final mix isn't too oily. So if you've already got mash already made, you don't need this step, but I'm going to need to get the skin off this potato. So using my sexiest rubber gloves, I'm going to peel it. You could also let the potato cool and then this wouldn't be a problem, but I was too hungry. So you can peel it like you were peeling an orange, just peel away at the skin. That will work. Equally, for some pieces of it, you'll be able to just squish it and the potato filling will just come out. Really you need to leave the skin on for cooking them in the microwave so that it's a bit like boiling the bag. And I'm going to add a sprinkle of cheese here just to give a nice salty melting flavour. That's just grated mozzarella. And then here's the bacon, which I've just chopped up very, very quickly. And then just going to combine it together. You don't need to make sure it's completely mixed thoroughly like a cake batter. You're just combining all the ingredients together so that they're all distributed, so that each bite you get a bit of cheese and a bit of bacon and everything's spread out. Just a little bit of mixing. Obviously you can add any fillings you like here that you like the sound of. Cheese and bacon seems like an obvious combo. So now for breadcrumbs. So I'm just going to whisk up an egg. And I've got some breadcrumbs here, just a couple of slices of bread that I had left over that I've grated. Then take a portion of potato that's about the size of a golf ball or a walnut. They'll have cooled down quite a lot by now. It should come together quite nicely and smoothly. Give it a quick roll in your hands to get a nice spherical shape. Give it a quick bath in the egg to get it all sticky all over. And then take it for a roll in the breadcrumbs just to completely coat it in loose breadcrumbs. I'm just going to repeat that now. I had enough mixture to make 6 bacon bites. Then get a pan over a medium-low heat, add a little oil, and then fry the bites on each side until golden brown. You could oven bake them at this stage, but the frying gets the best crumb. Just give them a turn every couple of minutes. This will probably take 6-7 minutes in total to get them nice and crusty on the outside. Then I can transfer to a plate. So there we go, it's all been combined, they've been fried. Let's take a look inside. Hey, that rhymed. Lovely crunch. And there we go. So they're all cooked, let's give them a go, see how they are. Well, crunchy, potatoey, cheesy, bacony. What more do you want? Absolutely delicious. Really quick to make, even better if you've got some leftover mashed potato, maybe from dinner the night before. But, oh yeah, they're really good and really quick to make. As I said, one of the recipes from my 50 Ways with Spuds book. Please give it a try. Let me know how you get on. Drop me a comment if you do. I'd really like to see you giving those a go. Really tasty. Hey, while you're here, if you could subscribe, that'd really make my day. I'll see you again.